Welcome back to Wellness Wednesday. In the last few weeks, we've been talking about everything we could do is either sufficient and pure and helps our health, or it's deficient and toxic and takes away from our health and our environment of our body. Your health is always a direct expression of that environment, both in an acute issue or a chronic issue. Now remember, within that, there's three areas that we can really focus on that we have control for. And that's the areas of how we eat, move, and think. Now we've been looking at food, but we're now going to move on to the essential nutrient of motion or movement. Both movement deficiency and a subluxation complex represents a deficiency in the required brain stimulation, resulting in a decrease in your brain function. Now your brain neurons need three different things to survive. They need food in the form of glucose, ketone bodies, and omega-3s, oxygen, and stimulation. And that stimulation is via movement. And movement exercise is the main source of that essential nutrient. This is why movement of a subluxation-free spine with exercise is essential. Now the good news is that there was a study in 2002 that showed walking just 2 miles a day will reduce mortality by 50%. And the exercises can be really simple. Your body's essential nutrient requirement is really 20 to 30 minutes of activity a day, and that can be broken up. You can do it in two or three sets of 10 minutes. It doesn't have to be all at once to get the benefits. Twice a week, you should be doing something resistive. Upper body 1 week, lower body the next. And if you don't want to do weights, you can do isometric type stuff against gravity. And then lastly, you should be stretching daily. Every single day you should stretch. Your body really needs to keep that flexibility. If you really think about aging, with the difference between somebody really young and somebody really old, the first thing that stands out is how flexible they are. So the more you stretch and keep that flexibility, the better your long-term balance and the better your body is overall in condition. So that's it for today. Exercise is really straightforward. It is absolutely essential. It's not about having the beach body. It's not about losing weight. It is about keeping your body functioning, and especially your nervous system and brain, at its highest possible level. And that's what it's all about. Talk to you guys next week.